Hello, welcome to my channel, Glitz Guide. Today's video topic is Amazon affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Let's start.
Picture this. You wake up, check your earnings on your phone, and see money rolling in while you sip your morning coffee. That's the beauty of Amazon affiliate marketing. Imagine curating a list of your favorite products, creating engaging content about them, and then watching your audience connect with your recommendations. It's not just about earning, it's about building a brand around what you genuinely love. Plus, you'll find a supportive community of fellow affiliates who share tips, tricks, and success stories that can inspire and guide you along the way. Every click on your link is a step towards financial independence, and every sale is a testament to your influence. With each passing day, your confidence grows as you refine your strategies, tweak your content, and engage with your audience more effectively. As you see the results of your hard work manifest in sales, the motivation to continue expands. The initial hurdles you faced become mere stepping stones on your journey. You begin to explore innovative ways to integrate affiliate marketing seamlessly into your lifestyle and passions, finding joy in the process itself. Whether through captivating storytelling or insightful reviews, you unlock the power of persuasion through authenticity. Soon, you realize that this venture isn't just a side hustle, it's a pathway to a sustainable income stream that aligns perfectly with who you are. With countless resources and guides available, the path to success becomes clearer and easier to navigate. You're not alone in this journey. In conclusion, the journey you embark on with Amazon affiliate marketing is more than a practical approach to earning money. It's an empowering experience that transforms your passion into a rewarding financial avenue. So, why wait? Embrace this opportunity and start building your future today.
Imagine waking up daily to see your income increase, all because you shared your passions. The more effort you invest in creating quality content, the more engagement you'll receive from your audience. Stay consistent, and before long, you'll witness the financial rewards of your labor. As your affiliate commissions rise, you'll experience the joy of turning your interests into a profitable venture. Begin by assessing your target audience. Understanding their needs and preferences is essential for crafting content that truly resonates. Research current trends in your niche to ensure your posts are timely and relevant. This will enhance the chances of clicks on your affiliate links. Furthermore, consider teaming up with others in your field. Partnering with fellow creators can broaden your reach, introducing your links to their followers. This strategy not only increases traffic but may also result in higher conversion rates as trust develops within their established communities. Continue to experiment with various content types to discover what resonates most. To boost your affiliate marketing efforts, prioritize building a strong brand presence. Develop a visually striking website or social media profile that reflects your niche and values. Incorporate consistent branding elements like logos and color palettes to make your content easily recognizable. As your audience grows, explore diversifying your income streams by looking into other affiliate programs or even creating digital products of your own. This tactic not only provides additional revenue avenues but also bolsters your credibility within your niche. Remember to monitor your performance. Analytics tools can help you identify which products draw the most interest. This information will enable you to tailor your content and promotions effectively, maximizing your earning potential. By emphasizing authenticity in your recommendations, you will foster trust, encouraging your audience to click on your links with confidence. In the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing, staying informed about the latest trends and best practices is crucial. Regularly seek knowledge and adapt to maintain your competitive edge on this exciting journey. Engaging in Amazon affiliate marketing is not merely about earning money. It also involves building a community centered around your interests. By sharing your experiences, you inspire others to join and explore their own potential. With the right strategies and commitment, you empower your audience to trust your insights, establishing a symbiotic relationship. These connections can grow into loyal followers eager for your content and guidance. Keep in mind, while the journey may appear daunting initially, embracing the process will lead to personal development and financial success. Stay motivated and savor each step along the way. With determination and creativity, you can successfully navigate the realm of Amazon affiliate marketing, transforming your passion into a sustainable income source. Embrace the journey and remain dedicated to expanding your knowledge, optimizing your approaches, and connecting with your audience for ongoing success. A bright future awaits aspiring affiliates.